Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. I'm Shakur and in this video we are going to solve a torsion problem and determine the torque that causes maximum shear stress in a solid steel shaft. Let's get started. Problem 3.1. Determine the torque T that causes a maximum shearing stress of 70 megapascal in the steel cylindrical shaft down. Let's start with basic formula. We have maximum shear stress, it's equal torque, outer radius of the shaft, which is C, and polar moment of inertia, which is J. And for a solid circular shaft, it's equal P divided by 2 to the power of 4. And also we need T according to the question, which T is equal P divided by 2 C to the power of 3 and maximum shear stress, which here we have 70 megapascal. Let's do it. T it's equal P divided by 2 and our outer radius is equal 18 millimeter. Here we have it. 0.018 meter to the power of 3 multiplied by which T is 7 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6 Pascal. It's equal T, it's equal 641.26 Newton meter. Easy question.